And then we have serial numbers. And I'm not exactly sure what this full thing would have been, but hey everybody, my name is Elijah Otto, curator here at the USS KIDD Veterans Museum. We're in our archives this week with our item of the week from my side, and this is going to be a firefighting axe. So this particular axe was located in the damage control locker, which was in the midship passageway. It's right about midpoint of the ship, right across from the supply office in the sick bay. So why do we have this here? So this axe in particular is used for firefighting, which on board a ship is actually a really, really bad thing. So this serves a lot of purposes with this instrument. First thing is that we can clear debris and that sort of stuff to get to our access point for firefighting. The other thing we can do is create ventilation in that damage control area, so we can break open some sort of window or help pry open doors or something like that with this instrument. So, like I said, this one right here is pulled directly off the ship. And this item, for me, was kind of inspired because my cousin up in Plano, Texas, he's actually a professional firefighter, so I thought this would be pretty neat.